Hello, it's Helen Godden and we're back for our Christmas Countdown Quilt-a-long. We're moving on to our next poinsettia and this is going to be our petal here. This is for December 6th. Now just a little reminder for you, I have got my beginners free motion class on Facebook called Liberation from the Ditch. It's a brilliant class if you are finding even this amount of work a little bit overwhelming. It's a class where I hold your hand the entire time and you work through a set of chapters with me and learn all the absolute basics of free motion quilting. Because of course here in this quilt-along I'm not actually teaching you as an absolute beginner. This is more of an encouragement to keep you practicing. So if you really want to learn from the absolute basics, I'll hold your hand in Liberation from the Ditch. So go to my website helengodden.com and join in the Facebook page. Let's have a look now at December 6th, and this one here we're going to create some ribbon candy. Ribbon candy is like a very exaggerated stipple, if you like. Now that's micro quilting, isn't it? I like the way that turns with the shape of the petal. I like the way that puffs up too. You've got all these little areas that are puffing up quite nicely. So don't forget, you might like to check out my Liberation from the Ditch class. There's going to be a link down the bottom in the comments after this video, so you could join in anytime you wish. Thanks very much, and I'll see you tomorrow for December 7. Bye-bye.